Hi, I'm Jamie from Studio 24 at Salon Republic, and today we're going to show you how to make a bun twist hairstyle. I'm using my petal brush to comb the hair to the back of the head. Since we're putting hair in a bun, I'm going to put the hair in a ponytail first. I have this little trick that I usually take a bobby pin going to the rubber band. Then I'm gonna put the rubber band into my thumb and twist around it. And I'm going through the rubber band to secure the ponytail. And to make sure the ponytail is tight, I will separate them into two parts and just pull them. And then now we're going to secure the hair onto the ponytail to look like a bun. So I would twist the hair a little bit because I always find when you twist the hair, you get more control to it, as many people has a layer haircut. I would twist them and just go around it. Then I would try to hold them together. Then here you go, you can use bobby pin to secure this. And where the first bobby pin goes is where you hold the hair, because that's where it's going to secure the hair first. Like I'm holding it right here. So that's where my first bobby pin goes. And of course, if you want to make sure they're really tight and stay up the whole day, you can put many bobby pins to it. Okay, so here we go. I'm just putting a few bobby pins into it. And make sure you secure the hair in a bun to her hair that's actually not tied up in the ponytail. So you can actually use that as a base. So here we go. And you can always create a more sleek look by just put a little hairspray on it. And use your comb and just to close it up. And here we go. Here's the hairstyle that we create for you. Very easy, and it's only take like 5 minutes.